With full power on the limited podcast series Before the Crown 30 Voices, One Crown, we've got Shreya Agarwal representing Jharkhand. Shreya, a warm welcome to you.
Thank you so much.
You look very comfortable.
Yes, I am.
Yes, we're glad. Shreya, tell us a bit about your family.
So, I come from a very close-knit family. My parents, my younger sibling, and my grandparents.
What do your parents do?
My father is a businessman, my mother is a housewife, and my brother is still studying.
And how's been the relationship of you and your parents?
Very great, like support system, and they're like just friends to me. So I always call them like, what are you doing? Why didn't you call me? And they're always like, कि तूने बोला था मत करना disturb. So it's like that.
That's the cool friendship that you have
yeah.
with your parents, which is great. What was their reaction when you said you want to enter the pageant world?
They were like, whatever support you need, we are always there. Do what you want.
What do you do academically?
I am a very great student. Like, I was a district scholar.
Wow.
Yeah, I scored 97% in my board examination. Right now, I'm studying in Delhi University, pursuing graduation.
In?
Commerce.
Commerce, good. Commerce student.
Yeah.
And you're great with numbers.
Yeah.
Yeah. And what do you plan to do if not the pageantry?
If not, I think I'll do some business because I come from a business background. Yeah, but the idea has to yet to arrive.
What was the thing that drew you towards pageantry saying, this is what I want to do?
It's a very fun story. So as a child, I used to watch Barbie. So there was this Barbie movie, Barbie and the Princess Charm School. So wahan, us movie mein, there are these girls and they are being trained, you know, how to stand properly, how to eat properly. And I was always like, I want to do something like this. And then when I grow up, I got to know that, okay, Miss India is like that kind of a thing where they groom you for life. So that was the thing, yeah.
Well, in the process, did you get a Prince Charming?
No, not yet.
इतने शर्मा रही हो?
Not yet.
कुछ तो है.
Nothing.
Nothing? Okay, good. Mommy and daddy, are you taking note? Nothing at all. Well, friends, tell us a bit about your friends while growing up.
Well, काफी अच्छा question है, but yeah, I have one or two friends, I would say. No one from the school, like उतना lasting रहा नहीं. But right now I have like two friends. They're there. Yeah.
It's great to have, better than a crowd, to have those two people that you can rely on. But what was the reason that you don't have friends since school to now?
I think, I don't know. I don't think it's a problem with me. Like, I tend to be overgiving at times because मेरे लिए friendship is far beyond the word friendship. I am like, if I've, given you a label of friend, I'll do anything and everything for you. And then I think people take it for granted. So, yeah.
Okay. Which part of Jharkhand? Tell us a bit about the hometown that you come from.
Jamshedpur. I come from Jamshedpur. So, Jamshedpur is very peaceful kind of a place. Like, life there feels very intentional. I feel when I'm there, when I compare it with Delhi, right, I'm staying in Delhi, and when I go back to Jamshedpur, I always feel that I can feel every breath. It is very calm, very soothing, and ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ आप जी रहे हो. जब मैं दिल्ली आती हूँ तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं डेली भाग रही हूँ. तो it's like that.
पर अब जिस मकाम पर हो, जिस मंच पर हो, अब तो होने वाला है कि स्केड्यूल टाइट होगा. ये जिंदगी वैसे होने वाली है. तो आपने ऑप्ट किया इसके लिए, right?
Yeah.
Would you be able to live up to it?
Yeah, definitely. I'm very adaptable. I can, like, whatever life throws at me, I can definitely live up to that.
And you said you like to overdo things. So
Yeah.
You will. You were saying something about people who come from small town, and you said, I want to give out a message. What is that?
I always feel that people think that girls coming or anyone coming from small towns are, less confident, less exposed. They don't know how to eat properly, how to dress properly. But I think that's very wrong. And one message I would like to give would be that we have a lot of potential. If given the right guidance, we have that hunger to prove ourselves, and that hunger takes us, to great heights. So give us a chance. Don't pre-assume about ourselves, because that makes us feel demotivated. And not everyone can, come up to that. Like, I have faced a lot of assumptions from people, but give us a chance and just let us do our own thing.
You are changing the force, bro. And you being here, making it here, being the state winner of Jharkhand has already proved it. So even if you don't say it, it just established that you've made it and you're here to bring in that change. So
I really hope so.
great to hear that from you. Now, you seem to be a very observant person, right?
Oh, yeah.
You are, right?
Yeah, I am.
Now, how has that quality shaped you for being what you are?
Well, I think I introspect a lot, and that helps me learn. Whenever I go out, I'm very excited to meet new people, to talk to them and get to know about life. I'm always like, hey, tell me some story about you. And the motive behind is always to learn, because I want to learn from people rather than reading books and rather than, watching things. So it helps me a lot. Ki, oh, isne ye galti kari thi, I'll not do the same mistake. So I'm that kind of a person.
So, but when you are observant, you're over observant and you say, so aren't you over analyzing everything?
I am, but then I'm a very light-hearted person, so I don't take anything on my mind and, worry myself.
क्या श्रेया अग्रवाल को गुस्सा आता है कभी?
आता है.
किस
आता है.
चीज पे और कैसे बिहेव करती है?
बिहेव तो अकेले कमरे पे करती है पर गुस्सा आता है तब जब लोग उसको ज्यादा मतलब अपने अकॉर्डिंग चीजें नहीं करने देते हैं एंड उसको बोलते हैं कि ऐसे कर वैसे कर, तो शी डजंट लाइक इट. बट बाकी सब चिल है, बहुत कम ही आता है, बट या.
Does Shreya Agarwal cry or make others cry?
I never make others cry. Yeah, I feel I always think about others first and then myself. I do cry, but very rarely. Like, I'm a strong person.
You're also a strong sports person, is what I'm
Yeah.
told. Tell us a little more on that side.
Well, a time came where I had to choose between so many things. I was then pursuing Bharatnatyam. I was into modeling a bit. I had to focus on my studies also because 11 and 12 boards ka pressure. So then I was like, hey, let's leave badminton and choose other things. So I'm a person who always, keep my head more in academics. So I went in that direction.
But since childhood, you've been a sporty person, right?
Yeah.
What did sports teach you to become or help you to become who you are today?
I think it taught me consistency, and that practice makes a man perfect. I think this is the best line you can ever learn from a sports person, because they know whenever we are off practice, we often tend to lose our skills. So yeah, that is what I learned.
Were you a shararti girl when you were growing up? Or were you that coy, quiet girl?
I was a quiet girl, but then the dynamics shifted when I, stepped into my standard 10.
What was that? What was that shift like?
So I did a teen pageant, and after that I really grew up as a confident girl. So I shifted.
How do you balance sensitivity towards serious issues while staying strong and positive in your journey?
I think I try to stay calm and give a neutral reaction to it. But again, I feel that if I change my stance over things, then I'm not me. So I do speak my mind out, but then again, I have to look into the world and then be neutral too. So I have to create that balance.
One of the most fun thing of your life that you remember, it's like a memory for a lifetime.
Fun thing. I would not say a fun thing, but a lesson that I really learned that would stay forever is that I had a very bad throat that day, and someone asked me to sing. And when I sang, they were like, you were marvelous today. So that is the fun memory for me, that I was not on my good terms that day, but again, they liked it. So yeah.
मेरा गला खराब है फिर भी वो मेरी अच्छी वाली आवाज है.
Yeah.
आज तो गला ठीक है तो गा के दे कुछ सुनाओ 2 लाइनें.
I am not a singer.
You're not a singer.
No.
अच्छा, तो गला खराब होना चाहिए उसी दिन आप गा सकते हो.
But I can sing. I can always try.
Go for it.
Don't mind. मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं कि आरज़ू जगाऊं अगर तुम कहो.
Nice. I like the sporty spirit in you. And on that sporty spirit, I'm going to get you to be a little more, even more sporty to answer the quick fire questions that I'm going to shoot at you.
Yeah, of course.
All you have to do is answer quickly. And your first question is, what is the best advice you've ever received?
Best advice I ever received was failure is not the opposite of success. It's a part of it.
One quote you live by.
We are what we repeatedly do.
One line of poetry you love.
It's not a one line, but it's a pankti that I really love. It's from the poem of हरिवंश राय बच्चन. ज्ञान के मंच पर सभी एक समान है, विधि का विधान पलट दे वह ब्रह्महस्त ज्ञान है. तो आज से ये ठान ले, ये बात गांठ बांध ले कि कर्म के कुरुक्षेत्र में न रूप काम आता है, न झूठ काम आता है, न जाति काम आती है, न बाप का नाम काम आता है. सिर्फ ज्ञान ही आपको आपका हक दिलाता है. सिर्फ ज्ञान ही आपको आपका हक दिलाता है.
ज्ञान का भंडार.
I really love this.
Last film that stayed with you.
12th fail.
Favorite actor.
Hrithik Roshan.
Female actor.
Alia Bhatt.
Comfort food.
घर का खाना.
Coffee or chai.
Chai.
One city you could live in forever.
Jamshedpur, my city.
One habit you want to change.
Overthinking.
You don't want to change.
Being sporty.
One song on repeat right now.
मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं.
कि आरज़ू जगाऊं. If not this, what would you be doing?
Business.
What does India mean to you today?
Home.
One thing you want to be remembered for.
Ethics.
What's great in your state?
Food.
What should one eat?
Golgappe.
3 places to visit in your state.
Jubilee Park, Neta Hart, and Dasam Falls.
The world is at war. What are we doing wrong as global citizens?
I think we are reacting more than communicating.
And I must say, you're indeed a very good communicator with that sporting spirit. Keep that sportiness in you alive, and wishing you the best for representing Jharkhand. And thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so much.